Ekwensu is not the devil as the Igbo of this generation have been made to believe. Ekwensu is an Igbo name designed for the god of bargains in Igbo cosmology, who was one of the sons of the creator. There is the devil in Christianity and there is Ekwensu in the Igbo traditional religion. According to the Igbo ancient teachings, Ekwensu is not the devil. A lot of Igbos and Africans of this generation will actually doubt this. When the Europeans came with their religion, they saw that the Igbo had no place for the devil in their belief, and then they somehow convinced them that the devil was synonymous to Ekwensu, which was the god of war and bargains. They knew that the Igbos will be very hard to colonize if they don't give them a religion and something to fear. After so many years of resistance from the ancient Igbo kingdom, the European missionaries were able to convince them that Ekwensu was the devil in their own belief. The ancient Igbos invoked the god of war and bargains, Ekwensu, when they want to go on a war, when they needed a cunning initiative to outsmart